Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? In 1930, Japanese-American artist Chirora Obata depicted the natural beauty of Yosemite National Park in two memorable woodcuts, Evening at Carl Inn and Lake Basin in the High Sierra. In 2019, Blank exhibited alongside 150 of Obata's other works in a single artist show at the Smithsonian American Art Museum. So the second sentence has a blank where there is meant to be a antecedent placed to connect the pronoun in the earlier sentence. So the subject of the earlier sentence was the woodcuts, which is plural, and it includes the Evening at Carl Inn and the Lake Basin and the High Sierra. Therefore, the proper antecedent here for the second sentence is one that highlights one that agrees with the plural subject in the previous sentence. So with that, let's look at the answer choices. A. It was. This is incorrect because it was is a singular antecedent. This would not agree with the plural subject. Therefore, A can be eliminated. B. They were. This seems to be the correct answer because this correctly shows or references the woodcuts mentioned in the previous sentence, and it highlights properly that this is a plural subject in the previous sentence, which matches with the plural antecedent in the second sentence. Therefore, B seems to be the correct answer. C. This was. This is incorrect because this was implies a singular antecedent, but the previous sentence has a plural subject. Therefore, C. This was is incorrect. D. Somewhere. This is incorrect because somewhere does not properly reference the two woodcuts mentioned in specific in the previous sentence. Therefore, somewhere would not work in the blank. Therefore, the correct answer is B.